Good morning, guys. Let's clean our outdoor area. Yeah, this is how it looks. It has accumulated a lot of dust on the floor, and then I'll also be removing the weeds over there and watering this area. It's a war. I'm trying to get this grass to be green again. Yeah. And just like that, my patio is clean, very clean. It's another day of this vlog. I went to run my errands and I ended up passing by Pep Home. You know, as a homemaker, you can't go to the mall without going into a home shop, you know. So these are the things that I got. This mirror, and then this is the price. My lips are dry. I have to do something up here. And then I got these placemats. And then I got this towel for my daughter. And then this chalk. And then these famous baskets. I got 3 of these. Kitchen towels, dish brush, and that should be all. Let me pack away these things and we will see each other later. Hi guys, I know that I said I was gonna see you later after the Pep Home haul. You know, life happens. You know, so it's another day. I just want to do a quick unboxing. At work we were doing what we call Secret Santa, where you draw the name of a colleague and then you buy them a gift, and then the colleagues also do the same. So I was not there when they were presenting the gifts, so I only got mine today. So I'm just gonna share. Let's see. Okay, this is the gift bag that I received, and then okay, this is my name there, and let's unwrap. Voila! This is the bag. So this is how the game goes. So we had to write the list of things that we would like to receive as a gift, and then put it in a container, and then we drew each other's name like that. And this is the bag. This is her. I love this bag. Yeah, and based on your specifications, the person will have to go to the shop and buy what you want and then wrap it nicely so that it's a very nice gift, right? So I just want to leave you with this question. It's a question of, you know, self-love. You know, as women, we're running households, we have so many things, and we are always, catering for other people, doing what they want, and we always forget ourselves. So my question to you is, when last did you buy yourself a gift? When last did you buy yourself something? When you're buying something for the house, something to decorate. For me, that is a decorative piece for the house. So that is something that is going to be used by everybody in the house. But when you buy yourself a gift, it has to be something that is yours, something that is going to be used by you. So when we were given this opportunity of writing, the gifts that we wanted, I have colleagues that wrote, we listen, we don't judge. They wrote cups, plates, wine glasses, it was home stuff. And I told myself, no, this time around, I want a gift that will be more meaningful to me. That is why I wrote this bag, and I'm happy that I managed to gift myself with something. I'm happy with that decision. So when last did you buy yourself something? When last did you treat yourself on a date? When last did you do something for yourself? Because it's so painful that you're catering for other people and you're forgetting yourself. So self-love is essential. You need to value yourself. If you haven't, in a while, you haven't bought yourself something, start now. Buy yourself, start with a chocolate, and the other things will follow. Value yourself, put yourself first, because your happiness, it's your responsibility. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you on my next one. Bye.